Shit. Alright, now I'm just trying to test this shit out. Alright. Alright, listen. Do you hear the phone voice? Hello? I'm saying, do you hear there's the voice? A little bit. Hell no. Hell no. Hold on, I'm about to see, can I hear myself? Hello? Damn. Damn, really going on. Hold on, wait a minute, wait a minute. Trying to see what's the cause of it. Okay, you still hear that noise?
Nope, I don't hear it no more.
You don't hear it?
Uh-uh.
Alright.
Nope.
Okay, but you can hear me, but not the crazy voice, right? Type shit.
Yes, I can.
Huh?
Yes, I can.
No, I'm saying you don't hear the talking funny voice.
All right, we might be ready to move on this thing. If you want to
You
work,
still
you'll
don't
get a
hear
knock
it?
on your door any minute.
See, damn, how can I get that shit? You just hear the regular voice I'm talking in the mic, right, huh?
Yep, just the regular.
Shit. Oh, bro, I gotta fix that. How can I fix that?
disabled.
Look, there's some movement on the bus, but I'm not fucking moving under indemnity bullshit. Well, they're totally fucking insane if they think that's far off.
Damn, why it sound like that though? What force thing get though? That shit. Alright, What a mic is.
Paired. Paired.
Hello, Brian. It'll be on your desk first thing tomorrow morning. It's not my phone. I'm still waiting on numbers from London.
Paired.
Let me hang up right quick, babe. Give me a second, I'm trying to fix this shit.
Seriously, people, move!
I'm trying to see, do I need anything? Do I need anything hooked up to my stream?
Oh,
Why?
damn, dude.
I don't know. I don't know, what do I need to start so I can listen to myself. Y'all can hear the crazy shit. Turn this shit off, turn it back on.
No rocket launchers, snipers and shit, bro. Only real life shit, choppers and pistols and shit.
Man, this shit crazy, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. 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 Yo, 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 yo. We finna hit the dough. Hey. We trying to get this shit started. Like that. Hey, hey, hey. Go, Mike, and all. Y'all bear with me, bro. We trying to get this shit right, bro. Yo.
Paired.
I look in the mirror and look at a killer. I grew up with niggas crop you out the picture. Bodies keep stacking up year after year. Got the young niggas thinking they serious. Kill ton choppers with switches, they scratch off the cereal. The blood in the whip, it fucked up, it's a tear. Watch what you say, cause this shit can get real. And watch how you move unless you make it steal. Shot in the car and I got the wheel. These niggas on wood, they got bodies for real. I thought you got out, he did 20 some years. He took it to trial, but he lost his appeal. I went to school with some serial killers. They breaking your house, they need serial with you. The same nigga cut first period with you. Watch who you trust, they might be out to get you. And one wrong step, you get put in the switch. Say the wrong thing, get put in the back. When wipe a nigga no tissue. Bless him. Last nigga tried me, found in the back. Ain't none of these crews more vicious. Just play a good role in the show, can't act good. Put folks in my business. Nigga smoke on my name, I got smoke like a pack.
Come on.
Don't like the way that you hold on me hostage. It hurts when I'm alive. The lies on the surface you think that you create. I've given up this time. I don't like the way that you hold on me hostage. It hurts when I'm alive. The lies on the surface you think that you create.
How many bags am I talking a day? My shooter a cheater, we stalking to pray. If you get caught, ain't no walking away, and we ain't doing no talking, just talk to the gate. Leave it a nigga, but stay in their places. They like to play games, and they know don't play. Playing with what, but ain't nobody safe.
Man, this shit. I gotta get this shit hooked up, bro. I got motherfuckers blowing me up and shit. I'm trying to get right on this shit, bro. Kill me. I don't give a damn. I think that's what I need, bro. I thought I had one though. What the hell happened to them damn feet? Let me get in this closet though. We got to find us another way, y'all. Hook up this shit here. You can't see me. Right there. Gotta go back on it. Go up. Right there. But then this big motherfucker right here in the way. Anyway. I really don't even need this. Really don't. Who said, did you fix it? Hell no, I ain't fixed shit yet. I'm still working on it, but I'm trying to get this shit fixed. Yeah, I'm about to change my whole. I'm about to change the whole damn thing around. Killing me and shit. shit now.
Maximum volume.
That bitch ain't getting it, y'all. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing what I wanted to do, y'all. I ain't doing what I wanted to do, y'all. I think I need a speaker so I can hook it up where they can hear me talking in different voices. But I can hear when I plug up my earphones. But they can't hear it on my live stream. That's the problem. That's what I'm trying to get. And I gotta get this motherfucker right. Where's Daddy come in there though? Hey, let me know. Do it like a style. Hold on. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh shit. I'm still trying to get it together. Trying to get this shit together. I hear it on it. I hear everything. Hold on. Hello, 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 hello. There it goes. Ho, ho. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Whoa, whoa. Bro, I hear every motherfucking thing, bro. I just got to get y'all boys on this shit, bro. But y'all can hit me up on this bitch. I hear everything in this headphone, you feel me? So I think they feel like that's why I gotta get a... That's why I feel like I gotta get a speaker that I can plug up in this thing right here, and it come with everything. It gonna hear music and all that shit. Y'all let me know. Google some shit, YouTube some shit. Let me know. Let me know, goddamn.
Paired.
Niggas paid up with respect. No CGE stand down to no one. We the ones who pull the threat. Almost up the chop on my fan. He done got too close to my neck.
Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I know y'all hear that music though. Hey, I know the microphone playing, but I'm trying to do the little phony voice shit though, bro. It ain't playing.
Got the heel.
See, like, yeah, I'm talking funny right now, but y'all can't even hear it, but I can hear it in this microphone though.
We ain't so loose on like crib dad. Most of y'all nigga dog getting laid backwards. How you looking to a nigga who ain't getting aqua? Cause the nigga said jump, you an acrobatic. Grandma house got food laid on pallets. Mom pushing in clock paid on salary. Yeah, you know the bitch bad, but she got bags. Get them folks show Larry, they ain't happy.
See, y'all didn't hear that though. Y'all hear my regular voice, but in this mic, I sound a different way. I'm trying to get to the point that y'all can hear what I'm hearing. So that's why I feel like I need a speaker that come with a cord and I can plug it up to this thing right here. Hold on, let me see if y'all boys. Hold on, wait a minute. You see this right here? Hold on, let me get the camera. You see this right here? This is what I'm working on. I'm trying to get all this shit, the funny shit that y'all can hear. That's what I'm trying to get. Oh shit. No, man. But yeah, I'm trying to get this shit on my live screen, bro. You know what I'm saying? I be RPing type shit and I need this shit. Like, nigga, I sound like a look. My voice sounds so deep right now, bro. But y'all niggas can't even hear that shit though. But I got my boy though. I got my boy trying to Google some shit though. We gonna get this shit together though. On game. We gotta get this shit going, bro. I don't see my little booty in chat back here, bro. Damn, I ain't gonna see that. I gotta get ready to go to work and shit, bro. I get ready to go to work and shit.
Hey, I'm Ryan Reynolds. Recently, I asked Mint Mobile.
No.
Big wireless companies are allowed to raise prices due to inflation. They said yes.
Then when I asked to raise the prices,
I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, I think I need a speaker, bro. Cause I can hear everything up in here. Up in these headphones, I can hear everything, bro. Like, I think I need a speaker, bro. Like, if y'all can Google it for me, so somebody help me, bro. Oh, you talking about bro? You talking about bro? Trying to blow me up, bro? Man, I ain't worried about bro. I'm trying to get this shit right. I ain't worried about it. They can get them little free kills, bro. I'm gonna have to change that. I'm gonna have to put that camera somewhere like towards this way or something. I don't know, but you gonna have to go somewhere. I'm gonna have to change my whole background. This shit crazy, bro. I gotta get this shit fixed, bro. What on? Oh no, I'm not waiting on nothing. I'm trying to fix this voice box thing. That's what I'm trying to fix. Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I'm trying to fix this mic, bro. I'm trying to fix this motherfucking mic, my boy.
No, it wasn't a booty call last night. I could come over now. Then I'll rent a suite at the nicest place nearby. Good. I'm so horny I can burn.
Hey, say, babe, you in the live stream? Look that up for me, bro. Look that up for me. Cause I'm trying to see, do I need a speaker? Because I hear everything. Like, if I can just do the little phony kid, like the little phony kid voice type shit, bro. Y'all don't hear it. I'm trying to make y'all hear. Yeah. I'm trying to make y'all hear, bro, type shit, bro.
Excuse yourself right now! What the fuck? Whatever.
Yeah, I'm trying to get, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm trying to get that damn little, you know, the little kid voice going on, bro. I'm trying to get all type of voices on, boy. They got all type of funny shit on here, man. I'm trying to let y'all hear. Y'all can't even hear. Y'all can just hear the straight, the regular voice type shit.
Nice one.
I'm trying to see, do I need a speaker, bro? Like, it came in this thing right here, y'all. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all see that? Y'all try to help me out. Y'all look it up and see what I need. Come on now. Help your boy out. We trying to make it. Now where this nigga at on this motherfucking presser? Where you at? Let me catch your body. Let me go ahead and catch your body right quick, bro.
Hey, it's Paige Harris. I work with Lester Crest. I basically run things over there while he takes credit. Anyway, I've got a new sideline you might be interested in. High-end scores,
Bro, y'all know
taken
that
elegantly,
name, bro. You kidding
using
me?
the latest
On that
tech.
oppressor?
There's a
Y'all know
terabyte
that
truck
name?
on Warstock I can turn into our nerve center. Get one, we'll store it under your club, and get moving on this immediately.
Nah, I been not still that. I want to ride around, but I gotta get ready for work, bro. Ow. Just had to go crazy right quick. Cause I've been trying to fix this all day, bro. Like, I ain't had time to get on that game, bro. It's my first time ever just getting on the game and playing around, bro. So, boy, gonna catch me on one of my off days. And I hope I have this shit right by the time next time I go live. So y'all just pray with me. Pray for me. Cause this shit is about to be here. But I got faith that I can do it though. I can get it done, bro. If I can get more content on this mud, bro. Yeah, I got the police up on me. Hold on, wait a minute. But I got the mic working, bro, but I just can't hear the phone. I can't get the other voice working type stuff, bro. So we finna get it. We gonna get it right. We gonna get it right. Cause J-Dog booming. Oh, he tried. Boy, GTA done came a long way. You remember we used to drive around in these cars right here? Remember these, bro? Remember we used to drive around in these cars right here, bro? Oh shit. Ooh, man. Damn.
Everyone, lock and load. Hell's fucking shoot that maggot.
Damn, helicopter trying to kill me. Come save me. Come pick me up. shit. Man, he trying to blow my ass up. Cause I think I done got away. Nigga, I done got away. Oh shit. Well, guys, that's it for the live. I guess next time I do go live, hell, I'll be on the right path. And y'all can be hearing the little shit that I got going on in the background.